What happened? You don't like that
She said,
one?
I don't think it's going to show up.
Oh, all right, well, you're the makeup artist, so you know.
I'm gonna make a foot.
She's in heaven.
She's loving us right now.
Maybe this one.
Okay,
Let's
that's
see.
lip gloss. That's my favorite color.
You know what? It is my favorite color. Oh, look at how pretty.
Oh my God, can you totally
Put that one on Titi. Makeup artist.
That one's pretty.
That's
Are you trying to sell it to
pretty.
me?
Yeah.
Do you think I should buy it?
Yeah. I think I will buy it.
Oh, I'm gonna buy it for you.
Oh.
Thank you.
So you're not gonna come anymore.
Oh my God.
Maybe this one will show up.
Okay.
It won't show up.
You want to put makeup on me?
Yeah.
Here, you want to put some blush on me?
Oh boy.
Take this
The
brush
brush.
and go like... Oh my God, this is so fun. Go like this, and then put it right here.
Ah.
There you go.
Put it on her nose.
You have to tell me to smile though.
Smile.
Okay.
Put it on the apples.
And the apples, yeah, put it on the apples. And you have to brush up.
Brush it off.
Yeah. Or everywhere.
It's up.
Oh boy. That one's so pretty. You want to put some highlighter on me?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one, you take this brush, you go like this, and then you put it on the top of my cheekbone.
She's gonna be.
You have to go like this, and then put it right up here.
Got that?